Welcome to 404 East 3rd Street here in Moorestown, New Jersey. Joe Weiss New Realty, we've listed this fantastic 4-bed, 2.5 bath house. Frank Tees is my agent who listed this fantastic home, and we want to share it with you, so let's check it out. Come on in, let's check it out. So the contractor that professionally renovated this property spared no expense in renovating almost every inch of this beautiful property here in Moorestown. We're standing right now in the formal living room, and it's got brand new windows, as the entire house does. It's got new siding, new gutters. The floors in here are composite, hardwood, black walnut, absolutely stunning. The baseboards are bright white, glossy, and those are 5 1/4, some of the best millwork that I've seen recently. Right next to the formal living room, you have this gorgeous kitchen. You have this quartz center island, all brand new. You have the drawers here that are soft touch, dovetail joints. The tile backsplash is the gray subway tile with a white grout. Recessed lighting everywhere, more black walnut on the floors. Samsung appliances, stainless steel, everything. Undermount sink with the gooseneck faucet. Got a big area here for your dinette. And then the new addition here was there was space renovated, which has a master suite here on the first floor. Looking at it from this angle, this would be the bedroom. Looks like it's about 13 by 14, it's a big space, new windows. And you walk down this corridor, you have this beautiful plank flooring here. Closet, cubby hole, and then you have another closet. So you have his and her closets. The master bathroom here on the first floor, perfect for your in-law suite or your adolescent kids that are coming up. Beautiful white, huge tiles. Those are 18 by 12 inch tiles. You have the thick glass shower surround here. Dual sink, all in perfect condition, brand new. The entire house, the square footage, is 1,807 square foot, and there's another 400 square foot in the finished basement. We've got a fine half bath right here, services the first floor. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Here there's a continuation of the black walnut, but upstairs these are the original refinished hardwood floors with the black walnut, and it's gleaming brand new, never been walked on. You have a smaller bedroom here. This would be bedroom number 4. Looks like it measures 11 by 11 or so. We'll call this one bedroom number 2. Really beautiful shape. You got the glorious southern exposure sunshine coming in. This would be the master bedroom upstairs. So you have just an incredible square footage up here. Everything redone in perfect turnkey condition. And you have this full bathroom with the tile all the way to the ceiling. Brand new big gray tiles on the floor, new vanity, new everything, all in excellent condition. In total, this is 432 square feet of finished space. It's below grade, but it's still an area that could be a recreation room, a large home office, whatever you wanted to use it for. It's a real nice bonus space. And it has the closet area here where you have your laundry set up, natural gas for your dryer, and you have a wash basin. In summary, we have a renovated Colonial here in gorgeous Moorestown, New Jersey. It's 404 East 3rd Avenue. And here's your opportunity. If you wanted that Moorestown address, have the Moorestown schools, you have your opportunity right now to buy this property. There's also in the backyard, which is completely cleared, there's a brand new, I'm not gonna call it a pole barn, I'm not gonna call it a shed, it's something in between. It's something that you could use it whatever way you want. The township won't allow us to call it a garage, but it's big enough possibly to be some type of garage. You have this brand new kitchen here. You have the black walnut flooring. All the finishes have been taken care of, and you have the first floor in-law suite, which would be perfect for your adolescent children. Make your appointment today, and I hope to see you at the settlement table.